In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use QR codes in your marketing campaigns, from building brand awareness all the way to driving conversions and loyalty. I'll also walk you through how to create and track your own marketing QR codes using the QR code generator, completely free. The fastest way to use QR codes in a marketing campaign is to create a dynamic QR code linked to your campaign landing page, place it wherever your audience already is, on posters, packaging, or ads, and then track every scan from your dashboard to measure performance and iterate. That's the full loop: create, place, track, improve. In this video, I'll break down every step so you can apply it to your own campaigns right away. In the next section, we will talk about the various QR code strategies that work at each stage of the marketing funnel and where to place your QR code for your goals. Number 1, awareness campaigns. Awareness campaigns are designed to get your brand noticed by people who don't know you yet. The goal is to send them to a fast-loading landing page, a short video, or an interactive hub that connects directly to the ad they just saw. Place QR codes on outdoor billboards, transit ads like bus stops and subway stations, product packaging, event backdrops, street posters, and mall displays. Number 2, engagement campaigns. Engagement campaigns shift the goal from visibility to interaction, inviting people who already know your brand to play a game, unlock content, answer a question, or join a community. Place engagement QR codes on in-store displays, restaurant table tents, event wristbands, retail shelf talkers, coffee sleeves, and event badges. Number 3, conversion campaign. Conversion campaigns are designed to push people toward a specific action, like signing up, buying, or booking. Pair them with a clear, benefit-led call to action and a limited-time offer to reduce hesitation. Place conversion QR codes on direct mail pieces, packaging near checkout, invoices and receipts, sales brochures, promotional flyers, and window displays with offers. Number 4, retention and loyalty campaigns. Retention and loyalty campaigns use QR codes to keep existing customers engaged and coming back, linking to feedback forms, how-to videos, or reorder pages that make loyalty feel effortless. Place retention QR codes on product packaging, thank you cards, loyalty cards, email signatures, reorder reminders, and customer service materials. Now the next question is, how do you create a QR code? The tool we'll be using is the QR code generator, available at theqrcodegenerator.com. It's one of the most customizable QR code platforms available. Creating a QR code for your marketing campaign on the QR code generator is a straightforward process. You start by defining your campaign objective, then head to theqrcodegenerator.com to create either a static or dynamic QR code, depending on whether you need tracking and editability. From there, you customize the code with your brand colors, logo, and a call to action frame. Place it where your audience is most likely to scan, and make sure the page they land on is mobile-friendly and delivers on the promise of the ad. For a detailed walkthrough of the entire creation process, check out our previous video on how to make a QR code using the QR code generator. The link is in the description below. One question I get asked commonly is, should I use static or dynamic QR codes for marketing? For almost every marketing use case, dynamic QR codes are the right choice. A static QR code permanently encodes its destination. If you need to change the landing page, fix a broken link, or swap out a seasonal offer, you would need to reprint the code entirely. A dynamic QR code, on the other hand, stores a short redirect URL inside the code, and the actual destination lives in the cloud, where you can update it at any time. Dynamic codes also give you scan analytics, which static codes do not. The QR code generator gives you 2 free dynamic QR codes forever, so there's no reason not to start with dynamic from day 1. Another question I get asked is, what are the most common mistakes marketers make with QR codes? The most common mistakes marketers make with QR codes come down to 4 things: poor design with low contrast that makes the code difficult to scan, no clear call to action that gives people a reason to scan in the first place, a landing page that isn't optimized for mobile, and a destination that doesn't match the promise made in the ad. If your code is hard to read, your audience won't scan it. And if they do scan it and land somewhere irrelevant or broken, you've lost them instantly. Finally, I get asked, how do I know if my QR code marketing campaign is working? I would say track scans directly in your QR code generator dashboard and layer in UTM parameters so scans flow into your web analytics platform as labeled traffic. From there, measure the full funnel, scans to page visits to form fills or purchases, and compare performance across different placements and creatives. If one placement is generating scans but no conversions, the issue is likely the post-scan experience. Test a different page or offer. If a placement is generating very few scans, the issue is likely visibility, context, or the call to action copy around the code. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.